Well, hello, this is Soledad again. I'm going to show you today Arroz con Pollo, which is chicken with rice or rice with chicken. So right now I'm going to saute the onions with my rice. So here we go to the little fellow here, and we're going to press saute right here. And that's it. Let it warm up a little bit. Then we're going to use this kind of oil, which is avocado oil, or you can do the grape oil, depends what you want. And then you just pour a little bit, not much. And then you just kind of get it all over here. And that's it.
Wouldn't the pot be kind of hot if it's, no?
Well, no, right now. I mean, I'm good with this hot things, so no problem. I'm a hottie cook anyway.
Okay.
So, let me tell you something. I never knew what this is for because, of course, I never read the instructions. So, until I saw people on Facebook, and then I'm like, oh my God, this is so cool. Hello. Okay, so I think let's try and see if it's hot enough. No, not yet. So we're gonna wait here. What I did is I took only half of onion and I put it on a plastic so it will not smell my refrigerator and it will be good. It will last longer. So let's see, I think I'm gonna need some kind of a big spoon. So we go here, hopefully I can find this one. And this is the one we're gonna use. Oh, it started to cook. Okay, good. Let's put in, first of all, let's put in the rice. And of course, I cannot open it.
What kind of rice is it?
This is the yellow rice, the Mahatma. The one that is already have a yellow and, you know, it's a yellow, it has a condiments in there.
Saffron.
Let's do this. Oh gosh, I don't have the spoons in here. But anyway, so we're just gonna pour it in there. And then we are gonna get this rice in here. And this is 1 pound over there.
1 cup.
1 cup, I'm sorry. This 1 pound.
That's a lot of rice.
I know. This is another cup. And we're going to combine it. And then we're just going to stir it. And let's see, more or less, it looks good. In there. And then I want to use also the sazon con azafrán.
From Goya.
From Goya. Thank you, helper. Mm-hmm. And gotta stir it a little bit. And let it fry a little bit. And let's put this one aside so we can start collecting the trash here. So my helper can take care of it. There you go. And we're done with this. We'll put it aside. And we'll just wait until it's it started to get fried in here.
Okay.
Well, hello. Here we are. The rice is almost kind of fried a little bit. You can tell by the color it's getting a little bit brownish. So now it's time for me to pour the onion. So we're just gonna do the onions here. And you can cut it in little pieces or whatever, you know, it's up to you about your taste. And you're gonna kind of mix it together so it can get fried with the rice also as well, cooked a little bit.
And you kept mixing the rice.
I keep what?
You kept tossing it, mixing it.
Oh yeah, you need to be mixing it so it can, so it will cook evenly. Just leave it on there for a little bit. And then we're gonna put the chicken. The chicken is the one that I get at Costco, the rotisserie chicken. You can get it from Ralph or, you know, Bonds or whatever you have around. And I don't want to cook it. Actually, it's better, it's easier and faster for me to do it. And the taste is good. So we're just gonna then put it in here, the whole thing. It's about, I don't know. See, I don't measure when it comes to that. I just pour it in. I like a lot of chicken in my food. So that's why I put a lot in here. And we're just gonna wait until it kind of gets combined with both of them. And then we're gonna put a little bit of tomato paste also as well, like this much, kind of. And then we're just gonna put them in here, and we're gonna kind of integrate it in the rice and the chicken. So it will get all in there. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
My helper here. And so now we're getting ready to put the rest. I'm going to bring back my board. And we're going to do this. So what I do is that because there's 2 cups of rice, I'm going to use 1 cup for each rice. So you can use the vegetable broth, which is this one, or you pour in there. And that one. And
How come you didn't fill it up? That's 1 cup.
that's 2 cups already.
I know, but that wasn't filled up to the top.
No, I know, because I'm gonna put wine.
Oh.
So then you're gonna pour some wine in there. It has to be dry wine, but not the sweet one, because I don't know how it's gonna taste if you put the sweet one in there. And then you just do like kind of a halfway, like that. No, a little bit more. The chicken likes to drink, so.
And so as a cook, that bottle's almost gone. Okay.
Okay, then just stir it. And it seems to be good. Apparently, let's get all this stuff. I don't want to talk in here, so I don't get my little spray in here. And then we're gonna get capers. And we're going to pour some capers in here.
The other one, the other
the other
side.
I like a lot of capers. And if you don't like it, don't put them on. But if you do, and your guests don't, or your husband and your kids don't, they can always put it aside on the other plate, and then you can eat them later. Or have them put it in your plate.
Well, that's enough with that, because I don't like that
I
stuff.
don't care. That's how it is. Then we're gonna do this.
What are those?
Oh, sorry. Manzanilla olives. Okay, and this one has the stuff with pimento. I like it like that, but I also like to pour some pimento. I guess diced pimentos. And I'll just put them in here. Just figure it out, like more or less, whatever you want. I mean, what is gonna happen? Nothing. You're still gonna like it. Then you just kinda stir it, and it looks good. And then I think that's all we need. We got the wine, we got this, boom, boom, vámonos. So now we're gonna close it. And this is the one.
No, it's not.
It's not close. Don't laugh.
I'm not laughing.
Okay, so we're going to turn it off because you want to now put it on rice. And the rice is on top. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here is the rice. And then you're going to put this doohickey back
To what?
to the...
To
Why it doesn't
ceiling?
go the way back?
Yeah, to ceiling. That's what it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
To
doesn't
ceiling,
go the way
not
back.
venting.
And that's it.
And how much time?
Well, let me see. It says in here more or less like 6 minutes for the
It
rice.
was at 12.
12, okay. Now, whatever it says in there, that's what it is.
Oh, 12 minutes? Okay.
We'll see how it comes out. If it come, I mean, it's gonna come out cooked, definitely. I don't think it's gonna be mushy or whatever, but it still wouldn't be able to be eatable. So there.
Okay.
We're gonna wait until this baby is cooked, and then we'll try it out, and we'll tell you how it tastes, which is gonna be good.
Okay. Action.
Okay, so we are done. So now let's get a facial in here. So you push this little doohickey here. Ooh la la. That's a lot of facial here. You can always stand under this.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, so all this.
Okay, so it stopped already giving you your facial. So this one, this little doohickey is to be right at the bottom. That means that you are safe to open it up. So let's see. How does it look? I'm going to do it from this side. Better. Oh, I like that sound. Oh, it looks so wonderful.
That's too many olives, but okay.
It's hot. The pan is hot. And it looks like the rice is cooked. Yes. And also, I was going to tell you, you can use one of these chilies and you can cut them in little pieces. What I do is I do one and then I do the other side and then I make it real fine and you can put them in the rice before it's cooked. So maybe it will give them a different of a taste. But this is up to you what you want to put in there. Okay, so we're going to try it out, right? So let's get one of these little things. And, oh, it looks good. Ooh, can you taste it? Huh? It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do here. Let's see. Let's give it to the helper here first.
Really?
Yeah, it's like, you know, the old times that there were the queens, the kings and the queens used to do. You try it first.
Just to make sure it's not poison? Okay.
It's hot. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let me see. Okay.
Very good.
Oh, very good. Okay, so I guess that's it. This is the arroz con pollo. Soledad style. A little bit of everybody, of the countries. And that's it. This is it. So follow us on YouTube. And I will be making more videos. Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Say goodbye, helper.
Bye.